today. If you're just tuning in for the very first time, my name is Nike. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and to all my returning subscribers, I have you guys. So real quick guys, without wasting so much of your time, I want to do a very quick unboxing of a bag that was sent to me by ogbags.ru. Now everything you guys are going to be needing is going to be in the description down below. Please do endeavor to check them out, but let's go ahead and do the unboxing. So you guys can see I still have it in here. So obviously when you see this color, you know it's a Louis Vuitton bag. I'm super excited to be doing the unboxing of this bag and also giving you guys my honest review, my opinion about the bag, okay? So let's go ahead and take it out. Alright guys, so now that we have taken this bag out of the box, let us go ahead and unbox it and see what kind of bag is in here. So as always, right here we do have the bag, the paper bag that comes with it. Alright guys, so now that I've taken the bag out of the box, this is it in here. It has, I can see here that it's like it has almost everything inside here. So let's just go ahead and unbox this LV bag. Right here we do have the user manual. You know what guys, so we're just gonna go ahead and put this to the side, and I know you guys can't wait like me to see what is inside this bag. Let us reveal what is inside the bag. Okay, so are you guys ready? This is it guys. I love the dust bag, so portable, you know, has Louis Vuitton on it as well. Okay guys, so this is what the bag is looking like. It has the monogram design, which comes in the light shade of brown on this side, and on the other side it also has the darker shade of the brown monogram design on the bag, which I think is versatile. It is so beautiful. It enables you to style it however you want with whichever outfit that you're putting on. So let's go ahead and look on the inside of the bag real quick. Right here I do see that it has this bag in here to give that bag the puffiness, you know, to be able to maintain it, which I think is cool. It has the manual in here again, more instruction manuals for how you can preserve the bag and take care of the bag over time. And then right here it comes with the purse, the little purse, which I guess we should be able to hang. Just give me 1 second guys, I'll put this to the side. And then here we do have the strap. The strap comes in a different color, different shade, but we're gonna go ahead and fix this real quick. So this is the strap guys, and this is what it's looking like. Right here it has the brown monogram design on it, you guys can see, and right here as well on it, on the buckle here, it has Louis Vuitton written on it. I love the details on the strap. And then for the purse, which is this one, this is where we get to fix it. You guys, if you're loving this bag, please do not forget to check the description. Check them out at ogbags.ru. So do you guys see this? So this is how this is actually fixed. It's actually used. I believe you should be able to use it however you want, but for me this is how I'll be using mine, which you guys can see here. Let's go ahead and open it so you guys see what the inside looks like for those that are curious. It had this protection in there, and then right here it has Louis Vuitton written on it. Do you guys see that? Louis Vuitton Paris. Is it Paris or Paris? So I really love this. You can store your car keys or whatever, candy, something, your lip gloss, I don't know, whatever it is you want to store in there. So this is how it's looking like guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and fix the strap onto the bag as well. Alright guys, so I have gone ahead to fix the strap. As you guys can see, everything looks good. I really love this. So guys, now that you guys have seen everything about this bag, what do I have to say about the bag? I like the fact that it has 2 openings on the side, so I kind of feel like it has enough room, enough space for storage. For those of you that like to carry so many items with you along with the bag, I feel like this is really gonna help. And if you're like me, I always love my phone to be on, you know, a very close access to me. So I've gone ahead to put my phone in here, as you guys can see. So let's say I get really busy or really carried away and I just need to dump my phone in my bag, or maybe it's drizzling or it's snow or something, I can just go ahead and just put it in either or of the compartment and be sure that yes, my phone is in there. You know, that's one thing I do love about the bag. I love that it has a 2 zipper on it. With the 2 zipper that this bag has, it allows for easy access, and then it gives you this ability for wide opening, so you can easily spread it out wide open to see what is inside of your bag, which I do love. And you guys can see my wallet fits in, my powder fits in, my brush fits in. I think it still has enough room on the side as well, inside the bag as well, for other items to fit in. And then just in case too, it also has on the strap, see this, it also has this little purse in there that came with a protection, which I think I'm gonna leave in the bag for now, so this doesn't spoil or it doesn't press in and, you know, I start having fitting issues with it. So I'm just gonna leave this in here to give it that bulgy look. See, it looks more better now. You guys see that? And then what else do I have to say about this bag? I like the fact that it is versatile. I can hold it this way and I can hold it this way, either or. I can decide to style it either with the light monogram design, or I can decide to style it with the dark monogram design, all depending on what I put on for the day. I'll decide how I want to hold it. And you guys can see it is crisscrossed, meaning the dark side, which is this side, has a strap of the dark side on the light side of the bag, which is on this side, and same thing for this as well. I love all the details of the bag. Please, if you are interested in this bag, do check out the link in the description below. I have a discount code. If I will be putting it on the screen. If you know you want this bag, go ahead. They don't have only this bag. OG Bags doesn't only have this bag. They have other beautiful luxury bags that you can get at affordable prices. You don't need to break the bank to get a beautiful bag. Don't forget, guys, we have other priorities. So yes, having luxury bags is actually very beautiful, very good, but at the same time you don't need to break the bank. So I'll suggest you go ahead and check out ogbags.ru. I will be putting it on the screen. I'll also be dropping the link in the description down below so you can check them out. Pick whatever item you want. If you need to contact Julia, who is the lady that reached out to me, go ahead, contact her and make sure to get yourself a Christmas gift, you know, or maybe an end of the year gift, something. Or if you're looking for someone to gift something really nice that they would be happy with. People love luxury bags. Women love luxury bags. Not only bags, they sell other items. So go ahead, check it out. It is that time of the year. I just want to say, guys, thank you so much for staying along with me in this video. Please do remember to hit the like and the subscribe button down below. Turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified anytime Nike uploads a beautiful video like this. Okay, bye guys.